Hello students, and especially to you, Darman. Thank you for being here. Thank you for following this channel. And thank you for thinking about me every time you eat a fruit, a veggie, a nut, a seed, some chickpeas, some lentils, some vegan lasagna, some vegan pizza, or anything at all that has to do with veganism. And thank you also for feeling a little bit guilty every time you eat meat, dairy, or eggs. Our goal is to get you there 100% to be vegan. Don't worry. Millions of people have done it, and you can totally do it too. Now, I want you to watch this 1-minute video. This is something I saw over on Twitter, and you see it's by a man named Peter Egan. He's trying to encourage you to go and sign a petition for animal equality. It's about foie gras. Do you know what that is? Listen. Just listen to this. It's only a minute long. And then I want to talk to you about making one of the characters in your videos one of the teenagers who goes to see what happens. You'll see what I mean.
Hi, everyone. I just want to give a quick shout out of support to Animal Equality and its campaign urging DEFRA to implement an import ban on foie gras this year. I had the unfortunate experience of visiting a foie gras farm a couple of years ago, just outside Bergerac and in France, and God, it was just appalling. They even allow you to watch what they call the gavage, that's the force feeding, where they stick a tube down a poor duck or goose's throat, then pour grain from a cup down the tube, and followed by loads of water, and you can see it going straight down into the gullet and into the stomach of the poor animal. In fact, I wanted to vomit, and 2 teenage children who were just in front of me both screamed when this happened. It is absolutely disgusting. And so I would urge you all to support animal equality, and let's get DEFRA to do the right thing. Ban it. It is disgusting, and it shouldn't be allowed. Foie gras is diseased liver. Thanks a lot.
So thank you so much for watching that. Now, foie gras, as he said, is a diseased liver. It is a fatty liver that is inflicting pain upon innocent ducks and geese, and it's not their fault. And they are just there as innocent victims, and this thing is forced down them, this giant tube, and people eat this in France. And so they're trying to ban it completely. Now listen, for me, I think that's only part of the solution. We absolutely have to ban all meat, all dairy, and all eggs. But thank you, Darman, for thinking about it. Thank you for watching this video, and please go to Animal Equality and share this video. Share what happens there, and please spread the word to everybody and make one of the characters in your video be vegan. Why not? Your vegan character can go and tell everybody else about all the vegan things that they're learning. Like that they could maybe have even gone to my channel. They'll say, hey, I was watching that vegan teacher, and now she talked about this, and now she talked about foie gras, she talked about the eggs, and so on. Whatever it takes. If you want me to be an actor in one of your videos, I'll totally do it. I'll do anything to get your 10 million or however many million you have now followers to become vegan. So thank you so much, Darman, for thinking about veganism. I really do appreciate it. For everyone who is vegan, thank you all for being vegan. And if you don't know what's going on, here's a video you can watch. WatchDominion.com. Okay? Watch it. It's a documentary that's super important to know about. And also, howdoigovegan.com is a very important site that you can go to learn about what happens. And if you want to know more, you can go to egg-truth.com. Take a screenshot of all of these, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now, everyone. Oh, coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Go ahead and click on them. Be curious about that vegan teacher's site, and let me know if there's anything in the comments below that you want me to know about. Any other cool videos that I should know about, any people that you think I should review or research or whatever. Okay? And don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell and help me get these poor innocent animals out of hell. Thank you. Bye for now.